When it comes to exercise and fitness, there are numerous activities and exercises you can incorporate into your routine. Here are some exercise examples and videos that can help you get started and stay active. Cardiovascular exercises, running or jogging. Lace up your sneakers and hit the road or treadmill for a great cardiovascular workout. Cycling, whether outdoors or using a stationary bike. Cycling is an excellent low-impact exercise. Jumping rope. This simple and portable exercise can provide an intense cardio workout. High-intensity interval training. HIIT involves alternating between high-intensity bursts of exercise and short rest periods, such as in the Tabata workout. Strength training exercises, body weight exercises, push-ups, squats, lunges, and planks are effective exercises that use your own body weight for resistance. Dumbbell exercises, incorporate exercises like bicep curls, shoulder presses, and lunges using dumbbells to build strength. Resistance band exercises. Resistance bands offer a versatile and convenient way to add resistance to your workouts. Flexibility and mobility exercises. Yoga. Practice yoga poses to improve flexibility, balance, and overall body strength. Pilates. Pilates focuses on core strength, flexibility, and body awareness through controlled movements. Stretching exercises, stretching after a workout or as a standalone activity. Whether you're planning a leisurely picnic in the park or embarking on an adventurous camping trip, Yatamadalingai's creative and flavor-packed recipes are sure to elevate your outdoor dining experience. From vibrant salads and hearty mains to delectable snacks and irresistible desserts, Adalingai's recipes showcase his signature fusion of Middle Eastern and Mediterranean flavors, making every bite a delightful culinary adventure. So, pack your baskets and gear up for a memorable feast in the great outdoors with these delectable recipes. Roasted vegetable quinoa salad. This refreshing salad combines oven-roasted vegetables with fluffy quinoa, dressed in a zesty lemon and herb vinaigrette. Packed with nutrients and vibrant flavors, this dish is a perfect choice for a picnic or camping trip. The colorful medley of roasted carrots, bell peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes creates a visually stunning and tasty centerpiece for your outdoor spread. Harissa marinated grilled chicken skewers. These succulent chicken skewers are marinated in a fiery harissa paste, then grilled to perfection. The smoky and spicy flavors of the harissa pair beautifully with the tender chicken, creating a satisfying main course option. Serve them alongside a cooling yogurt dip and a side of Adalingai's herb-infused couscous for a complete and hearty meal. Beetroot and walnut dip. For a vibrant and nutritious addition to your picnic or camping menu, try Adalingai's beetroot and walnut dip. The earthy sweetness of roasted beets combines harmoniously with the rich, nutty flavors of walnuts. This dip is a delightful accompaniment to fresh fruit.
Sure. Here's a recipe for grilled bananas with bourbon butter, inspired by Benjamina Ebuchi. Ingredients: 4 ripe bananas, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, softened, 2 tablespoons bourbon, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Vanilla ice cream optional for serving. I apologize for any confusion, but I still don't have access to a specific recipe for fried polenta with cheese, by Rachel Roddy. It's possible that this recipe doesn't exist or isn't widely known. However, I can offer a general recipe for fried polenta with cheese that you might find helpful. Here's a simple version. Ingredients: 1 cup polenta, 4 cups water, salt to taste, 1 cup grated cheese, such as Parmesan, cheddar, or mozzarella, olive oil, for frying. Instructions: in a saucepan, bring the water to a boil. Add salt to taste. Here are 2 budget-friendly rice recipes for you: sticky broccoli fried rice and oven-baked risotto. Sticky broccoli fried rice. Ingredients: 2 cups cooked rice, preferably day-old rice. 1 head of broccoli, cut into small florets. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, optional. Sure. Here are some key points about the foods you mentioned. Water. Water is essential for overall health and hydration. It helps regulate body temperature, aids digestion, flushes out toxins, and supports various bodily functions. It is recommended to drink at least 8 cups, 64 ounces, of water per day. Dark green vegetables. Dark green vegetables like spinach, kale, broccoli, and Swiss chard are rich in nutrients such as vitamins A, C, and K, folate, and minerals like iron and calcium. They are also high in fiber and low in calories, making them great for maintaining a healthy weight. Whole grains. Whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat, are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They provide sustained energy, promote digestion, and help regulate blood sugar levels. Whole grains are a healthier alternative to refined grains like white rice or white bread. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are excellent sources of plant-based protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are low in fat and cholesterol-free. Regular consumption of beans and lentils has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. They also provide high-quality protein and are a good source of vitamins and minerals like vitamin D and selenium. Including fish in your diet can support brain function and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Winter squash, including butternut and acorn squash, are highly nutritious and packed with vitamins A and C, potassium, and fiber. They are also rich in antioxidants, which help protect against cellular damage and inflammation. Winter squash can be roasted, steamed, or used in soups and stews. Including a variety of dark orange and green-colored vegetables like sweet potato, cantaloupe, and mango provides additional nutritional benefits. These foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which support immune function, eye health, and skin health. Remember to incorporate these foods into a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to meet your nutritional needs.
Cereals. Cereals are an important part of a healthy diet. They provide energy and are a good source of carbohydrates, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Examples of cereals include rice, wheat, oats, and corn. Vegetables and fruits. Vegetables and fruits are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are low in calories and high in fiber, making them essential for maintaining a healthy weight and preventing chronic diseases. It is recommended to consume a variety of colorful vegetables and fruits to ensure a wide range of nutrients. Milk and dairy products. Milk and dairy products are excellent sources of calcium, protein, and vitamins such as vitamin D. They help in maintaining strong bones and teeth and provide essential nutrients for overall growth and development. Examples of dairy products include milk, cheese, yogurt, and butter. Meat and alternatives. Meat and alternatives are sources of protein, iron, and other essential nutrients. Lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, legumes. It seems like you're interested in various topics related to food and meal planning. I can provide you with some information and tips on each of these subjects: shopping, cooking, and meal planning. Create a shopping list before going to the grocery store. Plan your meals for the week and make a shopping list based on the ingredients you need. Meal prep. Consider batch cooking or preparing meals in advance to save time during the week. Try new recipes, experiment with different cuisines and recipes to keep your meals interesting and varied. Culture and food. Explore diverse cuisines, Learn about different cultures' traditional dishes and ingredients to expand your culinary knowledge and try new flavors. Attend food festivals or events. Many cities host food festivals where you can sample various cuisines and learn more about different cultures' culinary traditions. Farmers markets. Support local farmers. Visit farmers markets to purchase fresh, locally grown produce and support small-scale farmers in your area. Seasonal produce. Take advantage of seasonal fruits and vegetables available at farmers markets, as they often have better flavor and nutritional value. Food labels. Read ingredient lists. Pay attention to the ingredients listed on food labels, especially if you have specific dietary requirements or food allergies. Understand nutrition facts. Familiarize yourself with the nutritional information provided on food labels to make informed choices about your diet. Sustainable eating. Reduce food waste. Plan your meals in advance to minimize food waste and use leftovers creatively. Choose sustainable seafood. Look for sustainable seafood options certified by reputable organizations.